As we count down into the new year, let's talk about healing foods. And no, I don't mean superfoods that cost more than your rent. I mean actual medicine in your pantry. Food that doesn't just taste good, but it actually fixes you. Number 1. The natural ibuprofen. Got joint pain or a headache from your boss's emails? Try turmeric. It contains curcumin. Science shows it's a powerhouse anti-inflammatory. Pro tip: you must eat it with black pepper. Without the pepper, your body just ignores it. It's like a VIP club. Turmeric is the celebrity, black pepper is the bodyguard that gets him through the door. Number 2. The heart's best friend. Dealing with high cholesterol? Oatmeal is the best. It has a fiber called beta-glucan. It basically acts like a tiny sponge that soaks up bad cholesterol, LDL, and carries it out of the body. Number 3. The internal sunscreen. Cooked tomatoes are great for this. They're packed with lycopene, which actually helps protect your skin from UV damage from the inside out. But please, still wear actual sunscreen. Don't go outside covered in marinara sauce. That would be a different kind of video. Number 4. The Fibermaxxing movement. Everyone is obsessed with gut health now. Your gut microbiome regulates 85% of your immune system. If your gut is unhappy, everyone is unhappy. Eat fermented foods, kimchi, kefir, or even good old-fashioned Greek yogurt. Your gut bacteria want a party, not a desert. Really, in 2026, the big trend is Healthspan over lifespan. It's not about living to 100. It's about living to 100 while still being able to find your car keys. Stop drinking your calories. One soda a day increases your diabetes risk by nearly 25%. Switch to sparkling water. It's got bubbles, it's got sass, and it has zero regrets. Walk more. Use the active commute. If it's under 2 kilometers, your legs are the best vehicle you own. Plus, no parking fees. Look, you don't have to be perfect. If you eat a donut, don't throw away the whole day. You wouldn't slash your other 3 tires just because one went flat, right? Small changes. More water, more steps, and maybe a little less scrolling. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Tell me in the comments, what is one healthy habit you're actually sticking to in 2026? Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the new year.